Iraqi Kurdistan is home to many species of dragonflies and damselflies, some of which may be rare and endangered. Waterkeepers Iraq is conducting the River Ecosystem Health Project in 2015 and 16. This project will include a limited Odonata survey. The goal of the survey is to gain more knowledge about these species and their habitats in Iraqi Kurdistan. The River Ecosystem Health Project will look at two types of threats to river health: gravel mining and dam construction sites. We want to survey for dragonflies and damselflies because they tell us a lot about how the river is doing. The number and type of species we see will be an indicator of a healthy river ecology. Dragonflies and damselflies all belong to the order Odonata. Knowing whether the Odonata you're observing is a dragonfly or a damselfly will aid you in the identification of the insect. For most people, learning the most obvious differences, eyes, body, wings, and resting position, will be sufficient. These slides give you a general understanding about the differences between these two types of insects. They are very easy to tell apart in the field, and the written methodology will provide additional details. Unlike what is shown in some of these images, we will not be collecting live specimens in the field, merely photographing and collecting exuvia in small containers for later identification back in the office. In addition to the photographs that are taken and the exuvia specimens collected in the field, there will only be two main outputs from the survey effort itself. The first is a field sheet where we enter information collected during each 100-meter transect that is walked along the river. And the second is a photo log that has information on all the images that were taken in each transect. Here are a few tips for photographing Odonata. You will find them within a few feet of the water's edge. Keep that in mind when you choose your transects and bring your rubber boots. They're most active on sunny days, but be very, very patient with them as they like to fly around a lot. Position your camera so its sensor is parallel to the insect's body to keep it in focus. Take shots from lots of different angles to help with identifying the insects later. Pay attention to the background of your photos. That'll make them more clear. Use a small aperture between f11 and f16. That works best when the background is far away.
When searching for exuvia, it's only necessary to look about 2 or 3 feet up the bank from the water's edge. Most dragonflies don't crawl very far from the water to emerge. And make sure you include a date location label in the container that you use to collect the exuvia.
Quieres ser mi amiga, si por ti daría la vida, si confundo tu sonrisa por camelo si me miras, razón y piel. Mezcla